Can citizens trust the rate? A daily currency bulletin looks routine until a traveler, remittance family, importer, student abroad, or local service desk has to use it correctly. In the latest BALEN OS scan, source reporting from Khabarhub says Nepal Rastra Bank fixed today's foreign exchange rates. The report lists the US dollar at 151 rupees 71 paisa buying and 152 rupees 31 paisa selling, with other currencies from the euro and pound to the rial, yen, yuan, dirham, and Indian rupee. BALEN OS separates the source report from the simulation. Khabarhub reported the NRB rate notice. BALEN OS does not set exchange rates, does not speak for the central bank, and does not claim any real government action. It asks what an accountable public money workflow should do when a daily number affects real decisions. The PM layer routes a simulated directive: make the rate usable. Verify the source. Label the rate date. Explain buying versus selling. Separate the official notice from bank-specific rates. Flag service fees. Show a complaint path. Then push the same public explanation to the people most likely to need it. Foreign affairs is triggered first because exchange rates touch travelers, embassies, students abroad, cross-border documentation, and citizens handling foreign payments. The simulated output is a source-verified traveler and embassy help note. Finance opens the transparency lane. Banks, money changers, importers, exporters, and small businesses need a shared verified reference instead of screenshots circulating through chat groups. The simulated output is a buying-selling explainer, fee transparency note, and rate source checklist. Labor is triggered because remittance families are exposed to conversion timing, transfer fees, misleading quotes, and receipt discipline. A worker abroad and a family at home need the same plain language line before money moves. Tourism is triggered because visitors meet exchange rates at airport counters, hotels, trekking desks, taxi payments, and travel operators. The simulation asks whether the rate date, service fee, and safe exchange channel are visible before payment. Federal Affairs adds the local delivery lens. A useful rate notice should reach municipal help desks, province offices, rural remittance counters, and citizen service windows, not stay trapped as a central bulletin. Communications keeps the public boundary clean. It says what Khabarhub reported, what BALEN OS is interpreting, why foreign affairs, finance, labor, tourism, federal affairs, and communications were triggered, and what citizens should watch next. There is a prior context angle. The latest dispatch memory says this signal sits beside a women's rights follow-up and a parliamentary stability memory. Earlier BALEN OS scans also handled budget evidence, EV fees, road maintenance, health insurance disruption, and public service delivery. The repeated pattern is simple. Public systems need source, owner, evidence, authority, local delivery, and explanation. The simulated PM outcome is a public money readiness pack. Foreign affairs owns traveler and embassy clarity. Finance owns rate transparency and fee discipline. Labor owns remittance family guidance. Tourism owns visitor-facing payment guidance. Federal Affairs owns local desk distribution. Communications publishes the sourcebound explainer. This is a simulation, not affiliated with any government, ministry, central bank, money transfer company, media outlet, or public official. It is an experiment in what future civic workflow could look like. The takeaway is simple. Exchange rates are not only numbers on a page. They are public money infrastructure. Citizens should be able to trace the whole chain from source reporting, to BALEN OS interpretation, to ministry route, to verified rate date, to fees, receipts, and public guidance.